My name's Dustin West. I'm the sales guy for WCFab and do the drag racing and the race truck for the shop. So we're out here at Diesel Drags. The track is kind of greasy. It's getting definitely gross out today. It's hot, muggy, sunny. Second pass we went 10:30, I think at like 1:34. Pretty good pass. We did a converter change. The converter seems to be working, doing what we want. Plus there's a bunch of trucks out there with some regular DOT tires that are just tearing up the surface. Our first pass of the day, I took Jason for a ride, kind of a rough pass.
Track's just not there right now. We normally leave between 20 and 25 pounds, and it takes it pretty easy, no problem. And today, 22 pounds even, and it's just blowing the tires off at the line. Unfortunately, not making awesome passes right now because the track's not holding together, but it's still doing okay for spinning hard on the line.
I think we're happy for today.
The new converter looks promising, but we've only had one good pass with it. These other two passes we made so far, it was spinning on the line, so.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna come back in 2 weeks for another test session. They're gonna have a radial event up here, so the track will be a lot better prepped. We went 10.3 today. Hopefully get down to that 10.0 mark at our cage limit, so then I can talk the boss into getting a bigger cage.